I'm Mike. We're here in Chicago in the Windy City with PointBridge. PointBridge is an IT consulting company. We've got just under 150 people in the company that specialize in helping customers get the most out of their investments with Microsoft technologies.
Our customers range from mid-market customers up to the largest enterprises, Wolters Kluwer, Jones Lang LaSalle. It really ranges the gamut.
There's a group of folks at PointBridge that are always looking into forward-looking technologies to determine how we're going to place our bets as an organization. Coming out of the economic downturn of 2008 and 2009, we recognized that we needed to diversify our revenue stream if we were going to not only garner share in down markets, but take advantage of the upswings. It was critically important to us to seek out recurring revenue streams, support services, managed services, and Office 365 cloud computing played a big role in that. We saw Office 365, or at the time BPOS, as a tremendous opportunity for us. As we saw Microsoft investing in the cloud, we had some decisions to make as to how we wanted to react to that. So we got together as an organization and determined that we needed to make some specific investments in building out that competency and building out that practice over time to meet the market opportunity.
We were more excited about the opportunity than nervous. We understood that the market was really going towards cloud services, and this was an opportunity for us to help our customers achieve better results and get commoditized services out of their data centers. Our first plans of action were to make sure that we had technical competence to understand what were the intricacies associated with moving people to the cloud rather than moving from an on-premise environment to another on-premise environment. Secondly, we wanted to make sure we had sales competence so that our people could talk about the differences between on-premise solution and cloud solution. It's a different sale in that you're talking a little bit about your return on investment rather than bits and bytes. We had to invest in technical readiness and sales and marketing readiness. And those turned out to be very sound investments. What we've come to see is, while project size might be smaller, profitability, which is what we all care about, is much higher.
In the past, we got 100% of our revenue from doing project-based services, and we continue to do project work, but to then also realize a recurring revenue stream has had an incredible impact on our financials. This is an opportunity for our clients to take things that had in the past been capital expenses and to turn those into operating expenses.
So it's a perfect opportunity for a partner to create a service model where we can leverage SharePoint expertise over multiple customers, get recurring revenue streams, and meet business demands over a longer period of time.
Not having to create demand in the marketplace, certainly an advantage for us when we're trying to sell our services. The demand was already there. Customers were ready for the technology. Microsoft had built the world-class solutions, and we were able to just walk in and take advantage of that opportunity.
We need to be where our clients are going, and we need to be about providing high-value economic solutions for them. And it just made too much economic sense for our clients for us to not be out in front pushing it.
It's really opened us up to new customers, new opportunities, new geographies, and allowed us to grow at a pretty rapid rate.
Progressively each quarter, the demand for Office 365 continues to escalate. So we're very bullish on what's going to happen, and we have a significant pipeline of opportunity that we're going to have to fulfill on. Our biggest challenge right now is keeping up with the demand. 4 years ago, 0% of our revenue was cloud-based computing. Today, it makes up almost 10% of our revenue. It's one of the fastest growing segments of our business. And we went from that economic downturn of 2008, 2009 to over 65% growth last year.
This is not Microsoft's market that they're making. Customers are demanding this. And if you're not talking to your customer, somebody else is talking to the customer about moving to the cloud. And you can either retain your customer and help them move to Microsoft, or somebody else will help them move.
Microsoft has been very clear that this is the most strategic thing that their company is doing. And when the largest software company in the world gives you a clear signal that this is where they're going, if you choose that partnership is strategic to your business, you need to get in line with that.
Microsoft is a great partner in this space. Microsoft is going to win in the cloud, and we're going to be there with them.